Hi everyone, welcome to Smart India Hackathon 2025. I am here on behalf of my teammates, the Medicoders, to present this audio-visual presentation. So, for the presentation, we have the title page, which includes the problem statement ID, which is SIH25143. The problem statement title is Energate, which means energy gated. Self-powered, which means it has self-power. It do not uses any other power. It is AI-based orthotic for patients and sports. Its theme is medtech, biotech, and health tech. Its PS category is hardware. Our team ID is 110628 and our team name is the Medicoders. Now let us go through the presentation of our innovation. The second page includes the idea and the title, the idea and the solution for our innovation, which includes 5 sub-points. Firstly, it is an AI-powered smart orthotic device, which includes food insertion with built-in pressure and EMG sensors. Secondly, it is real-time data, which means it records the real-time data or the data which is continuously monitors user gait and muscle activity during walking. When you are walking, when you are playing sports, it will read your data and record it. It has an adaptive support. It has soft actuators, shape memory, material, actively adjust arc, and support in response to gait analysis. Fourth, it is self-powered. It do not uses any battery. It is battery-free, completely battery-free, which is also a energy renewable device. It is using energy harvesting, piezoelectric triboelectric film, provides power, making the device battery-free. Now, fifth, it has personalized correction, which means it is an AI model which provides user-specific support based on continuous learning. It has personalized correction, which means if there will be any error in the app, it will correct it itself. Now let us go through the next slide, which includes technical approach. The technical approach is divided into two key components, which is key hardware and wireless connectivity. Talking about key hardware. Key hardware has 5 subcomponents. Firstly, it has force sensitive resistor FSR for foot pressure mapping. Secondly, it has surface EMG sensors for muscle activity. Now, what are EMG sensors? EMG sensors are the sensors which we put on our feet and which records our muscle activity and walking style. Now, the third is microcontroller. Arduino ESP32 running TinyML AI models. Our innovation also have soft actuators, shape memory material for adaptive support, which means the variations in the shape and size of the food will be managed by these. It has piezoelectric energy harvester. It has soft actuators, shape memory material for adaptive support, which means our device records the shape and size of the material so that it can be easily adaptable. Lastly, it has piezoelectric energy harvester, regulator and circuit, which means it does not include any battery. It is battery free, completely battery free, which includes energy harvesting and saves energy. Now talking about wireless connectivity. Wireless connectivity includes BLE, Wi-Fi enables real-time data transfer to app and cloud. Our device has an app which records the data to the cloud. Its firmware, sensor data acquisition, AI inference, actuator control, and secure communication. It has security communication. It has also in software or app, which is used for Android, iOS, and web app for live data visualization. If you want to record your data live, we can use Android apps, iOS apps, and web apps for live data. It has user profile management where you can record and show your adaptiveness and remote doctor access. It has cloud integration, which also have a future scope for remote data storage, analysis, and alerts so that you can keep your information and record yourself in this app. Now let us go through the feasibility and viability of our theme. The feasibility and viability includes four major components, which is technical, challenges, solutions to the challenges, and the features of our innovation. The technical feasibility includes it is user affordable sensors, FSR, surface EMG, energy harvesting layers, and low power microcontroller. Our device has EMG sensors. EMG sensors are the sensors which sense our footprints and foot movements and record the activities. And low power microcontroller. Our device has very low power microcontroller which is completely battery free and uses less energy. Now, the challenges we will face in our innovations are it might have less accuracy data detection for various food types and walking styles. As we know, there are various food style and walking styles. So there may be little error in the accuracy of data detection. Now, ensuring reliable energy harvesting and system comfort. So the challenges, these are the challenges, and we also have the solutions for the challenges. The solutions are calibrated sensor selection and modular ultra thin insole design. We will have the insole ultra thin so that it can be adapted to various footprints and food sizes. It will be lightweight AI model for fast, low power feedback and efficient wireless data transmission. Our device will be very low powered, which will take very less energy. The features of our innovations are it is completely self-powered, which do not use energy from anywhere else. It has battery-free operations, real-time visualization, and AI-driven adaptation, which means it uses AI to adapt its food size and walking styles. It is very portable. It can be easily carried from one place to another. You can use it while playing sports or doing any physical activities. It is comfortable and cost effective, under 4,000 using common parts. Now let us go through the another page, which includes the impact and the benefits of our innovation. The impacts of our piezoelectric device will be it enhances medical rehabilitation by improving gait and muscle strength for patients with neurological and orthopedic condition. As we know, the old people who have neurological arthritis, rheumatoid, who are suffering from orthopedic conditions, they will improve their muscle strength and will also face a lot of medical rehabilitation. Now, it will reduce fall and food ulcer risk in elderly and diabetic populations, increasing safety. Our device will reduce the ulcer risk in elders and increase safety among them. It will provide real-time gait correction, lowering the rate of muscle strain injury for the users. It will enable remote monitoring and assessment by healthcare professionals supporting. Benefits of our innovation are it adapts in real time for personalized comfort and support tailored to each user's walking pattern. We know there are variations in people's walking style and patterns of their footprints, so our device is very adaptive for everyone. Its features are it is battery free, eco friendly operation, and hassle free daily use. We can use it daily for our sports activities and other physical activities. It offers compatibility with standard footwear due to a portable lightweight insert design. It has very lightweight design, which is easily be carried from one place to another. It facilitates long-term health tracking and motivation for rehabilitation through connected mobile and cloud-based software. So, our innovation will have a connection with mobile which will show you how you are recovering from the past diseases or leg orthotic improvements. Now let us talk about the research and references we have. Our problem outcome is it provides real-time detection and correction of gait imbalances using integrated sensor and AI. We are using EMG sensors. It reduces incidence of muscle strain, falls, and foot injuries among patients and elderly users. Our device will be compatible for the elderly users as well as the patients who are suffering from rheumatoid or arthritis. It enables healthcare professionals to make data-driven decisions for rehabilitation. What is rehabilitation? Rehabilitation is a occurring or device which includes the it enables healthcare professionals to make data-driven decisions for rehabilitation. It delivers personalized orthotic support, improving user comfort and recovery rates. Our device is user comfort and user friendly. It offers a battery-free, sustainable operation, minimizing maintenance and environmental impact. Our device is environmental free. Its primary researches are conducted user survey and interviews with patients, doctor, and physiotherapists to identify major uses in current orthotics. You can get the data of your current. The primary researches are conducted user surveys and interviews with patients, doctors, and physiotherapists to identify major issues in current orthotics. It has analyzed gait patterns and common causes of imbalance using pressure and EMG sensors in prototype testing. It has benchmark device requirements after collecting a feedback from rehabilitation center and clinics. Studied existing market solutions and noted the gap in adaptive self-powered smart orthotic. Our device self-powered and smart. The references of our innovations are we have reviewed current scientific literature on smart wearable insoles, EMG sensors, and pressure sensing for gait analysis. We have investigated energy harvesting technologies and their integration in wearable devices so that we can make a energy-free wearable orthotic device. We have analyzed advanced in tiny ML models for embedded real-time health system. We have studied regulatory standards for media, device, safety, and wireless health data transmission. So, overall, our device is very smart, battery-free, orthotic device, which is very useful for the people who are suffering from rehabilitation and orthotic diseases such as rheumatoid, arthritis, and other foot diseases.